Greetings and thank you for your interest in this quick Microsoft Teams demo. I'm Nick from Practical Solutions, and today I'm going to show you two quick ways to do a poll or a survey on your team using Microsoft Teams. We recently had a client ask if there's an easy way to use Microsoft Teams to do a real-time roster during a fire drill. I thought this was an interesting real-world use case and that there's probably several other use cases that this little piece of knowledge can be used for. Some of the things I thought of were during actual emergencies and of course drills, asking your team, are you safe? Change management feedback, process improvement, such as, how can we make something better? Even informal, where should our team's holiday dinner be? So for these use cases, there's really two quick and easy ways that came to my mind in order to survey a team in Microsoft Teams. One uses a free Microsoft app called Poly, and the other references and integrates Microsoft Forms into Teams to create a quick survey for your team. For the Poly app, it's really as simple as going to the apps in Microsoft Teams and looking for Poly. If it doesn't already exist here, just search for it in the search bar. When you click on Poly, you'll have to accept terms and agreements, and you'll probably have to consent on behalf of your organization. But then it's installed in your Teams environment, and then it's as simple as going to your Teams channel that you want. So my team is Nick's Test Group, and I created the demo video channel for the sake of this demo video. And then it's just adding a new tab. So we add a new tab, we click on Poly, and you'll probably have to log in again and maybe accept some additional terms. But when you get through all that, you'll have a new tab here called Poly, and you can easily and quickly create a survey. So there's a lot of different fields and a lot of different options for this survey. When you can send it, how long you want to keep it open for, including the types of questions. Is this app great? Poll settings, but one I did want to point out is the audience settings. So there's non-anonymous and anonymous. When you select anonymous, I think that opens up additional possibilities for this type of survey thing. So if people are afraid to answer because you'll see who it is or vote on something, I think the anonymous can actually open up a few more doors for this survey solution. So this is what the question will look like. You just hit send, and now you're going to get a little notification, of course, and it's going to come up in your conversations. This is what's going to look like for your audience. So is this app great? You can select an answer, submit your vote. And once you do that, you'll be able to see the results. Those results will be displayed after each answer. And in the Poly tab, you'll also be able to manage this survey and also close it, delete it, and so on. For the next method, which is, in my opinion, a lot simpler but a little bit more limited in terms of functionality than the Poly app, which is referencing Microsoft Forms. So all you do for that is in conversations, you just reference @forms. And then you'll get options here. Here's forms. And you could see what can I do, how to format your question. You can also get help with a little bit more features. And you could see this initially asked the question, and then it created a quick poll for you that, for the team that everybody can answer. So is this app great? Select yes. Again, very similar to Poly, the results update. However, I hope you could see that the functionality with the forms option is a little bit more toned down than the Poly app. So it's a basic question with some options that you give your audience, versus with the Poly app you have a little bit more functionality in terms of controlling the type of audience, how long you have the survey open for, along with the different types of questions that you can ask. So that's going to conclude this demonstration. I hope that you found it helpful. I hope that you can think of some use cases that you can apply it to within your organization. And we're glad you joined us. Please feel free to contact us at info@ps4b.com if you have any questions, and you have a pleasant day.